Hello friends, Dr. Meena Shah, medical doctor and life and health coach. I would love to address working women today, especially in terms of when you are hungry, when suddenly the hunger strikes you. Are you having something with you which you can eat, which is wholesome, nourishing, and the taste, the way you like it? If you have it, it's easy for you to eat it. If you don't have it, then whatever is available, you will eat. And in that way, we will end up eating wrong food, which has more calories, no nourishment, but still we need to eat because we are hungry. So what I do when I'm working is I always carry some healthy snack or also leave some healthy snack which does not get spoiled at least for a couple of weeks in my own office. It works really best for me. So what you can carry? One thing is you can carry is a fruit which is very easy to eat. Like a fruit where you don't need much of a cutting and where you need a plate and a knife and everything. But something like an apple or an orange or a banana, it's a quick energy. They are quick energy food and which also gives lot of nutrients also. So carry a fruit with you. It's a great idea. Second is carry some nuts. What I do is I make a small zip bags of a mixed dry fruit and nuts. Maybe couple of almonds, couple of cashew nut, 1 or 2 anjeer or dates, and it's mixed sitting there. So suddenly I feel low energy, I feel hungry. If I just have one small pack of this dry fruit mix and maybe have a glass of nimbu pani, it immediately energizes me and nourishes me. And I like the taste of it also. So you can carry some dry fruit. You can carry snack which is healthy snack with you. Like I'm Gujarati, so I always have some khakra in my office. Or if I'm traveling, I always carry a small box of khakra with me, which I like the way I like. I make. I may not make at home, but I make it healthy and tasty. Whatever I purchase and whatever mixing ingredients I do at home. So I carry khakras with me. Like in all different cultures, you will be always having some snack which is not healthy, which is up to your taste and which lasts long. So take care of that because most of the snack which is otherwise available in the office or readily available around the office is more likely to be fried and heavily loaded with oil, salt and masalas. So what you snack is important for you because around 4:35 is a time where you are most likely to eat junk food. Avoid that and that will give you more energy and better health.